In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, tap on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme. Scroll down and tap on all of those dots next to all of those categories. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and then hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time, instead of tapping on any of those dots, tap on this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!